ready to ditch the generic and design business cards that truly scream you. First, let's set up our document in Illustrator. Go to File, then New in the New Document window. Name your project business card. Set the width to 35 inches and the height to 2 inches. This is the standard size for a business card in the US. Crucially, add a bleed. Click the bleed section and enter all into 5 inches for all sides. Bleed ensures that your design extends beyond the trim edge, preventing any white gaps after cutting. Set the color mode to CMYK for print and raster effects to high 300 ppi for sharp images. Then click Create. You'll now see your artboard with a red outline. That's your bleed area. Keep all design elements that you want to extend to the edge of the card within this red zone. Now, let's add a background. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle that completely covers your artboard and extends all the way to the red bleed line. Choose a color for your background using the swatches panel. Time for the essential info. Select the type tool and click to add your name, job title, contact details, phone number, email, and website. Choose a clear, readable font. Consider hierarchy, making your name larger and bolder than other details. Drag and drop your logo onto the artboard. Resize and position it strategically. Use Illustrator's alignment tools found in the Properties panel to ensure all elements are perfectly aligned and visually balanced. Keep your design organized by using layers. Name your layers appropriately. Background, logo, text to easily manage and edit different elements later. Finally, to prepare your card for printing, go to File, then Save As. Choose PDF as the file format in the Adobe PDF preset. Select Press Quality. Now, go to the Marks and Bleeds tab. Check the Trim Marks and use Document Bleed Settings boxes. These settings tell the printer exactly where to cut your cards. Click Save PDF, and you're done. Now you're armed with the knowledge to craft stunning business cards that represent your brand with flair. Now go forth and make some unforgettable first impressions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.